Machiegni kendo, jagoro mongirore Migao mar Somo Julius Bitok owacho ni nyaka sani skunde duto oseyudo buge mag gred 10 e sama somo dhi mbele. Koloso e kaunti ma Kitui, Bitok owacho ni giselimo thoth skunde kendo yango ni 98% mag jopuonjre mag gred 10 osedonjo e skunde.
So I have come also to confirm on behalf of the government that all the grade 10 students have reported to this school. And we are really very happy, and we really welcome you warmly to senior school. Competence-based education is a very, very special education system. And we are saying this is the education system that is going to transform our country from third world to first world. And these are the people who are going to change this country. That is why the government is putting every resource, is investing every coin to ensure that you have enough teachers, you have enough facilities, you have materials, you have everything that you need so that you can be able to study, so that you can be able to understand concepts, so that you can be able to pass your exam and become a responsible Kenyan citizen.
E sechegi mathoth gwenge ma pacho ka nitiere kod achiedh nade ma koni gi kocha kaluwore kod oro